Welcome back. We have Greta Shewin and Margaret Bennett here today from the Duplicate Bridge Club, and it's always great to have you ladies in. And I had mentioned earlier when I was giving the weather that it's really nice that the club is sort of expanding the amount of classes and training and getting people more involved with playing bridge. So it's really nice. We're going to talk about those in just a moment. Sure. So Greta, tell me about, you know, we were just talking how, you know, more new people are coming in to the village like they do. Are you finding that a lot of them are wanting to learn bridge?
Oh, absolutely. I have had phone calls from people. We've had an ad in the Globe and people are so excited, and we're offering an evening class for those people who are working, which is really wonderful.
That's nice.
Yeah. And so I think no matter what we have, we're just getting more people interested in the game, and it's a wonderful pastime. And you know, the thing is that if you keep your mind active, your body's going to respond too.
Yeah. And Margaret, as we were talking beforehand, when it comes to bridge or any game, bridge is a complicated game. It can certainly be learned, but there's so many nuances there. Having somebody start out going to a class and kind of learning in a group together, it's far less intimidating, and it makes for a much better experience, and they want to stick with it.
And I tell my class, you start with the basics, and it's like building blocks.
Yeah.
You learn this level, and then you can move up to the next level. And really in bridge, the levels are unlimited.
Yeah.
It's the grand old game. It's the most popular card game in the English-speaking world, and in many other countries also.
And you know, again, anytime you're learning something new, whether it's a game like bridge or a sport or art, you start with the foundations. You start with the basics, because if you try and move forward too quickly without that foundation, you just get lost eventually.
It's very easy to get confused.
Yeah.
Right, and no matter where you go, and I've been on a number of cruises, and people are on these cruises from all over the world, and everybody basically plays the same game of bridge. I mean, maybe a little variance, but lots of fun.
Yeah, and there's, we've talked about this before, Margaret, duplicate bridge, and there's contractual bridge?
Well, it's called either progressive bridge, social bridge, party bridge. They're all basically the same. And we welcome anybody that doesn't really want to compete in the duplicate bridge game to also take the lessons, because party bridge is just as much fun.
Sure, just a different scoring system.
Okay, is party bridge, it sounds like it's going to be a little more leisurely, a little more casual, or am I wrong, just because of the name?
Well...
Or you're just having a nice cocktail next to you.
No. I should say progressive bridge. I shouldn't say party bridge, although people will know it by party bridge more than progressive possibly. But it's the level of intensity is not the same, because the competition is a little bit more stiff, you know, in duplicate bridge. But you know, you put into it what you want to get out of it. Right. And you can be as competitive and challenging as you want to be.
Now, bridge is a game of partners, right?
Right.
So if someone comes in by themselves, do you begin to kind of match them up, or just give them some time?
They sort of find their partners, or they find someone, and I always say, well, you know, if you don't like this partner, maybe next week you'll be at the partnership desk to get a new partner.
That's the advantage of the classes, because you're meeting people who are either new bridge players and starting from the bottom and working their way up, or they're people that are coming back to the game. They played in college, or I know somebody that played when he was in the service. He learned how to play bridge, and but things change in bridge. You know, not the basics, but some of the techniques for bidding have been improved over the years, and people want to know the latest and the greatest, of course. Yeah.
Now on the screen we have a couple things coming up. And the one that's coming up very soon is beginning bridge classes that you are teaching, and you can see there throughout the month of May on Friday mornings, and then follow into June, and $50 for all 7 classes. I mean,
exactly.
Where are you going to find that?
Yes, it's a good deal.
Yeah.
Also, please let me mention that we're starting an evening class. It will begin on Monday, April 29th.
Okay.
Now, the thing that I'm going to be able
Now,
to
excuse
share
me,
with you.
let
Oh,
me
go ahead.
interrupt for just a minute. Is the evening classes like this?
Exactly.
It'll be a series of classes?
It's the same
Okay.
exact format, the same
Okay.
exact class. As a
Same
matter of
teacher.
fact, yeah, same teacher. As a matter of fact, if for some reason you can't make your Monday evening class, you may be able to make the Friday morning class.
Okay.
Now, if you're taking the Friday morning class and you can't make it for some reason, you have to get to the Monday evening class
Yes.
the week before.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But again, for $50, that's absolutely incredible.
It's a wonderful
Yeah.
opportunity,
Sure.
and we think a reasonable deal for.
It's very reasonable.
Our
And
Yeah.
for seven classes, I would think from start to finish, you're really going to get a great foundation during that time.
We think so, and we use the Audrey Grant series,
Mm-hmm.
and her books are so user friendly. You know, they have it explains every nuance.
Mm-hmm.
There are quizzes that the students can take, and then there are examples. There are
Yeah.
exercises.
Yeah, we used to show her series here
Yeah.
years and years ago.
Yeah,
I
Audrey's
didn't
been
know that.
around forever, and she does have good material, and she
Yeah.
works with ACBL as well.
Right. And then coming up in on this weekend, April 28th, you have the Power Up Your Game.
Right.
And would this be for people who are a little bit more advanced?
That's right. It's
Okay.
for intermediates and advanced people. It's not for beginners, but this is with an expert, Marjorie
Mm-hmm.
Michelin. Marjorie lives in the village, and she is a Grand
Grand
Life
Life
Master, and she loves bridge and she promotes bridge. And this is something, even if people haven't signed up for it, they may come that day. Only $35 for a 5-hour session, includes lunch.
Yeah.
Great idea.
Yeah, that's, you know, it's really a great bargain. And for a lot of folks who want to learn these games for the first time, you know, where are you going to find that and make it very convenient at a great price and really get that foundation or take it to the next level?
Right, right. And some people say, oh, what I really have a problem with is the play of the hand. Well, this is what Marjorie is going to teach, as well as bidding techniques. So it's a great opportunity.
Now, information is always on your website, lagunabridge.com?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so you can find out more about this. But, you know, both these you need to sign up for, am I right?
We
Or
prefer
can people
it.
show up? It's helpful, especially the one you're serving lunch.
Yeah,
You want to know.
exactly.
Yeah.
We want to count.
Well, we
yes.
want some, but usually we find that about half the people sign up and the other half just walk in.
Okay, all right. But what a chance for you to either get better at your game or really for your beginners to learn it for the first time. Sign up for these because it's a great opportunity and again at a bargain price, and you know,
Absolutely.
you got these great people helping you out.
Right, absolutely. And
Very
we're
good. Now,
there.
every day at Clubhouse 7, there's bridge going on, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Except Sunday, we only have a game once a month. It's
Okay.
the second Sunday of the month.
Okay.
But Monday through Saturday, and then there are also several evening games on Tuesday night and Thursday night.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we need to really talk about the Saturday morning game. This is for people who don't have over 20 master points. And those
Okay.
people are bridge play. And it's wonderful. For $3, they can get a mini lesson and play bridge. It starts at 9, it finishes 11:30, and even if they haven't been there before, they're welcome to come in. Mike will say, oh, we're just glad. And we have mentors that help them with their bidding. It's
So these are folks who have been playing for a while but still not at the
No,
level?
these are newer players.
Oh,
As a
newer
matter of
players.
newer
fact-
players, they have not reached the 20 master point level.
Okay.
What I was going to say is actually the people that graduate from my classes can move right into the Saturday
Okay.
morning class. It's a less intimidating environment for them, and the big advantage of the Saturday morning class is there are mentors
Okay.
who can help them with the bidding. They can't help them with defense or play of the hand, but they can help with the bidding.
Okay.
And it's so important when you're first
Oh, it
playing bridge
is.
because it's you can be very unsure
Right.
of what to do next.
Yeah. Very good.
Oh, it's a fun group. There were 6 tables there last Saturday, and they were having
Very
a
impressive.
wonderful time.
So get involved if you've ever wanted to learn to play bridge, and go to lagunabridge.com. All the information is there, and what a great opportunity. And it's really nice that you folks are offering more and more classes and not only for brand new folks, but for people who have been playing and just want to get a little bit better.
That's right. That's what we're there for.
All right. Thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you, Ken.
We'll see you next month,
Okay.
and we'll be right back.
Okay, great.